Hi guys, we love you here. We surely do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to my channel. Um, the Patrick Frazee court hearing today, the 31st of December 2019. The court hearing was early this morning in Colorado. The charges are 5 counts of murder. He has been formally charged today. There is another court hearing on the 29th of January 2019. The 5 murder counts are 3 solicitation, 3 counts. So does this mean 3 different people he's asked to do some harm to Kelsey Berreth? Well, they've charged him with it. At least one person we know that he solicited. So 3 counts of that. And the other one is a count on somebody gets killed in a robbery. That's another charge. But it does say 5 counts of murder. So apparently, allegedly, love letters found in Patrick Frazee's truck. The rumor has it, and I don't know if this is confirmed at this time, so I'm stating that he had a girlfriend, and she happens to come from Idaho. And she doesn't live too far from where the phone was pinged from. This is allegedly, and this is not confirmed, but that is what the rumor is, and that's what people are saying all over the Facebook groups and on YouTube. So this may be true, but as we know, the lawyers on each side are not releasing too much information because it might harm their case, which is understandable if you want these counts to stick. Now, all we need is to bring Kelsey home. Where are you, Kelsey? We need you to come home. Somebody knows where she is. Somebody knows what's happened to her. If she's dead, which likely she is dead, that's what they're saying. This is a murder case. And these rumors going around that I've been reading in comments, that Kelsey always goes missing. This is a habit of hers. She does drugs. She didn't have custody of her child. Patrick had full custody of her child. Things like she got pregnant and she told him she had a miscarriage. So he didn't know she was pregnant, and suddenly she turns up on his doorstep with a baby he didn't know he had. All those kind of rumors going around. And that she always disappears, and she's probably in some rehab right now. She's in rehab because she always takes off all the time because apparently she does drugs. That's not me saying this. This is just rumors. I mean, rumors that friends of his that like him, whether they are friends or not, whether they're just trolls and making up some crap, is there any evidence of this, that she did drugs? She seems like a smart girl. She had a good job. I'm sure they did drug testing. Very important that if you work in aviation, that you get tested for mental health and all those kinds of things. Did her job see any signs? I know that she is like a self-employed person and stuff like that, but did she always text to her job, hey, I'm not showing up today. I'm not doing this today. Was it a habit? We don't know what her job is telling the police and what information they have given at this time. So it's all allegedly. And these rumors need to stop. And I'm just putting it out there because I'd like you to know that's what information is out there on this Kelsey. And it doesn't matter what she did or her family life at this time. It's nobody has a bad word to say about her mothering skills. Yes, she had a job full time. Apparently, I don't think she worked every day, so she could set her own schedule. Apparently, Patrick had a job. He had 2 or 3 jobs, so how did he take care of a kid when he's such a busy man doing what he's doing? I don't know if his mother took care of the child while he went to work, while she went to work. I don't know how that went, but that would be normal. You know, you all going to work and you all want to see the children and you all want to take care of her. Why not help each other out? I don't see anything wrong with that part of it. But she is the mother. She didn't live with Patrick. They were not married. So custody goes to the mother automatically. But why did Kelsey feel the need to file a custody hearing? She's the one that did it. Let me stress to you, this lady, Kelsey Berreth, filed a court hearing for a custody issue before she went missing. But as we know, the mother always has custody of a child and to proven that she is unfit. And that's very hard to do because, as we know, mothers and fathers have to work. There's not really a stay-at-home parents that aren't working and can't afford not to work. Kelsey had a nice home. She bought this home. She had 2 vehicles. Apparently, she was not in debt. Apparently, she is and was a good mother. There's nothing coming out about that. Her mother says she speaks to her on a regular basis, but as her mother stated on Thanksgiving Day or the day before, that her daughter had plans, but didn't say who with or exactly where she was going, but did say that maybe she was going out to dinner, maybe. So, and no woman would go anywhere without their vehicle, I'm sure, unless she got picked up from somebody, but that is very unlikely as it seems to, Patrick has stated that he did pick up his child. He has been to that house that day, so there's no getting out of that one. But Patrick's mother was in court today, and this is just my opinion, but Patrick's mother reminds me of somebody. You know that old movie with Danny DeVito? Throw Mama Off the Train, that movie? Well, his mother constantly reminds me of Patrick's Frazee's mother. Just my opinion. Just a look-alike. You know, throw Mama from the train. But anyway, both mothers are to appear in court on the 3rd of January 2019 for another custody hearing because the other day when Kelsey's mother got temporary custody, she filed formal hearing that she would like to fight for temporary custody or full custody. We don't know that yet, but there will be another hearing. But as we know, it's just my opinion, it's just a comment that I'm making. Is Patrick Frazee's mother cleared of all doing? She is not charged with nothing at this time, as far as we know. So I think the best people at this time, because I haven't heard anything different, would be Kelsey's mother and father to take full custody or full temporary custody, all rights given to Kelsey's mother at this time. She seems like the more stable one, but that's just my opinion. But, you know, there's a mother and father there, and they could well take care of her. They're in good health. They're stable as far as I know. They're religious, but Kelsey had a good life, a good upbringing, well educated. And that's all I got to say about that at this time. This is just my opinion. This is just my comments. Now you guys can comment and have your opinion. Let's be respectable for everybody in this case. I welcome anybody to make any comments, but we don't have to put anybody down. We're just having our opinion. But the court case, the trial is going forward, and he has been charged, and the FBI, the CBI, whoever is involved, the lawyers must have a lot of information and evidence to take this to trial. I send out my prayers to Kelsey to come home. Let's find her. Let's find her. Bring her home. Either way, bring her home. And let's pray that Patrick speaks and tells us where she is. If he has any information, he needs to man up and tell us where she is. But I have to state this, that he is innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. Thank you, guys.